Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. How is the new year? I'm very sorry about my voice. I have flu, but I'm going to be very well soon. So what you're seeing right there, something that looks like a root, that is cassava. That is a cassava root. Looks like that. So today I'm sharing how to cook fried cassava or fried yuca. So what you do is just to peel the cassava stem. Cassava is the easiest thing to peel, and then you place it in a bowl with water because it easily becomes dirty if you don't place it in water. So I steamed my cassava. I'm sorry I didn't show that in the video, but in case you don't have something to steam, what you can just do is to pre-boil with some salt in the water. Sometimes if you fry before pre-boiling or before steaming, there are high chances of getting a burnt cassava on top. It will look nice and golden, but it will be raw inside. So that step is very, very important. I've used vegetable oil in this recipe. And make sure your oil is ready and cooked before you add the cassava or yuca. If you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button. It's just there down in red. Hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload. I upload like every single week. And then also like the video if you've liked it. Don't forget to share the video. Also leave your comments down below. Don't forget to also check the description box. I've left there another link about a different cassava recipe. By the way, for those of you who prefer a simpler taste, you can just enjoy your cassava boiled, seasoned with salt and garlic, or you can just boil it with some coconut milk. It comes out very nice. Fried yuca can be enjoyed with thick soups or dips, but I'm going to enjoy it with fresh avocado, tomatoes, fried garden eggs with some soup, thick soup, and with some fried eggs. This is the part where all the kids surround you. As you can see, my yuca looks very nice, golden, crispy, crunchy. Trust me, it came out very nice. But I would advise that in case you're looking for it, look for softer ones. Sometimes they are a bit hard, but look for softer cassava. Bye bye.